Warning: stunts performed in this video are done by professionals. Please don't imitate them at home. Please don't be an idiot and use a heater to fry an egg. Use a gas stove instead for better results. Using a heater may set your house on fire, or worse, it might even set the world on fire. Okay, we're gonna make an omelette using this heater. Okay, you see this Chernobyl reactor looking heater? We're gonna use this. It might not look that intimidating, but trust me, this can set an entire block on fire. It's that hot. Okay, I'm gonna take this pan. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the heater. We're gonna add a cube of butter or a slice of butter and make sure it liquefies through heat. Okay, see, I told you this heater is pretty hot. Because look at the butter, it's melting already. It hasn't even been a minute yet. So make sure the butter is well melted and the whole pan is coated with butter. Okay, we see bubbles on butter, it's a good sign. It shows that the heat is actually working. I'm gonna use the spatula and try to soothe the butter a little bit. I don't know what does that mean, but still I'm gonna use that term because I like it. And yeah, I'm gonna pat it a little bit. And we're gonna do that again. I don't know why there's some creamy foamy layer forming on the top, but yeah, pretty cool. I see some bubbles, which is a good thing. Now I'm gonna add the omelette or the egg. Beautiful. It's a beautiful yolk. Yeah, hey, why is it going there? Come in the middle, man. Come on, come in the center. I need it. It's hot in the center. I need you to be in the center. Jesus, you see it's turning into white. Coagulation is taking into place, which means albumin has reached its isoelectric point, whatever that means. So we're gonna make sure it stays there and just make sure it cooks. You can forget about it. After a while it looks like this. Okay, it shows that it's been hot enough. It's been an hour right now, so yeah, I've been doing that, shuffling it for an hour. So that's pretty much it. Now you're gonna remove it from this, make sure it doesn't break, and you're gonna transfer it into a vessel for eating purposes, or a plate if you want to. So that's pretty much it. You're gonna nicely make sure you prep it for removal purposes, and you can tilt it or make sure the other side is also well cooked, but I'm not gonna do that. Voila, that's it. You shift it in a plate and you're ready. That's how you make an fried egg using a heater. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The phenomena of conduction of heat. So phenomenal. Well, that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. This is Neo signing out.